Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make banana bread. It's so soft, moist, and loaded with ripe bananas and crunchy walnuts. This is my favorite banana bread recipe. It's the recipe that comes to mind first when I have leftover spotty bananas on the counter. This recipe is really easy to follow and anyone can make it. So let's get started on the ingredients. In a big bowl, we're going to add all the wet ingredients. First up, add 125 grams of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar and beat them until light and fluffy. Add 2 large eggs and whisk them until everything is combined. In another cup, add 2 tablespoons of hot milk and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it in both together until the baking soda dissolves in together and you can watch it rise. Pour the milk and baking soda mixture into the batter and mix it in together. That was all the wet ingredients. Now we're going to move on to the dry ingredients. In the same bowl, add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. For additional flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you can leave this out. Pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it in all together. Now we're going to mash the bananas. I know I put 2 bananas over here, but I used 3 bananas because I thought these were smaller bananas and I used another one to make it equal. You can use either 2 or 3 bananas. The best bananas to use for banana bread are those that are overripe. The yellow peel should be at least half browned and the bananas inside should be squishy and browning. You can also mash those bananas in the electric whisk. Once our bananas are fully mashed and they look like a paste, add them into the mixture and mix them all in together. To get that crunchy flavor in your banana bread, add 1/3 cup of walnuts. If you're not a fan of walnuts, you can leave it out and make a classic banana bread. Loaf pan, I added a baking paper onto the bottom and I'm going to grease the edges with butter. If you want, you can just grease the entire thing with butter or put baking paper throughout the entire thing. And pour your batter into the loaf pan and shake it a little so everything is even. And add some chopped walnuts onto the top to add a nice and crunchy texture on the top. Bake the banana bread in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. The banana bread is all done. It's nice and crunchy and super brown, which is really good. And when I poke my fork into it, it comes out super clean, which is really good. This is the texture that you need. Now I'm gonna get the banana bread out of the loaf tin. Make sure you let the banana bread cool for a few minutes before you cut it into slices. Look at how soft, moist, and delicious this banana cake looks. You must try it. It's loaded with ripe bananas and crunchy walnuts. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!